Hello guys, and welcome to another lesson on HTML and CSS. So in this lesson we're going to learn about the borders. Okay, so there are four type of borders. There are dotted borders, solid borders, double borders, and inset borders. We're going to learn about them right away. So um, let's just cut this. Okay, so first I'm gonna need to create I'm gonna create some headings. So let's use heading 3. Let's type in dotted borders. Heading 3, this one's solid borders. Then double double borders. And inset borders. There you go. So let's run this in our server. Yeah, we got the headings. So dotted. Now these are just text, okay? These aren't the borders. We're gonna apply the borders to these texts, and for that we're gonna go to the style sheet in the CSS. So now we're gonna set this the borders in a class tag, okay? In the class tag, so we could apply it easily to the details.html page to the text, okay? So for class tags, we know that just like the heading style here, we're going to use a dot. So I'm going to use a dot and just type in dotted, create a bracket, the second bracket. Okay, we don't need that much. Okay, so in here, we're going to type in border style. Border style. Okay, let's select it from here. Now, once you select the border style, you can see that there are so many options here, okay? All the border style options. So since we've typed the dotted here, we're gonna select the dotted one, okay? Select it. Okay. Now, for the same stuff, we're gonna do for the solid, okay? Dot solid. Create the border. Border style. Border style is solid. Yeah, selected. Then just go into the next one. Type in double dot double, create. There we go. The next is we have the inset border. Inset. Just type in border style. Inside, use the inset one, okay? Alright, we've got our four. Now, we can't just run it and expect it to run to get applied, you know. So we gotta place these classes in these in order for this to run correctly. So for this, we're going to type in inside here the class tag. Just type in class. Inside, we're going to type in which class we're gonna apply. So for this, we're gonna use the dotted, okay? And then for this one, same concept, class, type in solid. For this, the same concept, class, double. And for this also, inset. Okay, so we're gonna run this. Now you can see that the borders have been applied here. We can clearly see that the dotted is dotted, solid is solid, double is double, and the inset is like that. Okay, now if we want to like change the size of these borders, um, for instance the dotted one, let's change the size. It's simple, just go into this dotted tag, just go into the dotted tag and just type in width. um, let's say, how much will it need? Let's say we'll give 80%, 80 px. Okay, now if we just run it, perfect. So that's how you change the border size, the width. Let's change the height of this one, the solid one. Let's change the height of the solid border. Let's type in height, and it would take like, let's apply 100 px. Okay, that's a lot. Anyways, that's how you change the height. So let's say we want to change the color as well. What are we going to do about the colors? It's pretty simple. Just go to the style. Let's do it for the double. Okay, just simply type in color, and then let's say yellow. Run it. Yeah, the color is changed to yellow. So that's how you work on the borders. Pretty simple. I hope this was helpful, and I'll see you in the next lesson.